Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can use formulas in your spreadsheets on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your spreadsheet. I will go with this one with that example set of data. Of course, it depends on which exact formula you would like to use. There are multiple of them. I'm going to show you two different examples, but the overall process is actually always the same. So what you want to do, guys, is let's assume, for instance, you would like to sum up a set of data, right? For example, each or all of these cells, and calculate the sum of it, ranging from the cell B3 to B9. In this case here, you would need to double click into the cell just below. Then to start the formula, guys, enter the equal symbol that is going to start the formula. And now you can add the formula type by typing in the first three letters. If it's for example a sum, then yeah, I would type in sum. But as you can see, there are quite a lot of these formulas, right? So if you'd like to sum these up, next, open a bracket and start with the first or uppermost cell of that list, like B3. And then if you'd like to sum all of them, enter a double dot and the lowermost cell, which is B9, close the bracket and press enter to have the sum. But what if you, for example, would like to sum only, let's say, specific cells? In this case, you would need to do the following. Start with equal again, sum or the formula type, open the bracket, and then enter the cell numbers, which is, let's go with B6, right? And then double dot, and then for example B7, and close the bracket and then press enter, right? Or you can, for example, add another double dot and then enter B9, and so on and so forth, and that is going to give you the summary or the calculated sum of these selected cells, right? But of course, guys, you can add various formulas. So let me give you also another example. Start with equal and then, for example, I don't know, something like this, sum of two numbers, or I don't know, something like that. So always type in the first three letters to see the suggested formula below, and then select it, for example, this one here, for example, and then the rest follows the same pattern I just showed you. Start the bracket, open it, and then enter the numbers of the cell you would like to have included in the formula, and divide these, or separate these, sorry, by these double dots. So if you want to have the entire range of data included, start with the first one and close the formula with the last one. That's it. Press enter, close the bracket, and then press enter. And that is going to create the formula. You can, of course, all formulas can be typed in here as well. You don't need to do this in the given cell here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.